using the regular mic from the HD0 goggles, and that's inside. That's not even like going outside. So now this should sound way better.
It's terrific, right? I'm in heaven.
I don't know if you know this, but I'm actually a product tester for Amazon. Most of the time I don't like reviewing products unless it's tried, tested, and something I really like, or for FPV, something I really want. Then usually I'll reach out to a company and be like, hey, I'd like to, show your products to people or test them or something. What I really should be doing is having a Amazon product review channel, because I have like unlimited products to review that I never have to really buy. But that way you can also trust me, because I'm not shilling out for a company. I'm not going to show you anything unless I really like it. So these are my favorite budget audio system. I've had this since 2022, and you're not hearing it right now because I'm going to show you the difference once I plug in. But I'm going to do it for a bit without it, even though audio is the most important thing, other than being an attractive woman. If you're a very attractive woman, woo! It can make things easier for you. It can make other things harder for you. But not a very attractive woman, so working very hard to give you pure value that has, I know you're not here for my sexiness. So this is the Gemfan audio system. Let me just show you what I like about it. If it's off and you plug it in, you can see it has a nice little battery thing, so it shows the battery charging, and then it's full now because I just charged it. I've been using this since 2022. 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 4 years now that I've been using this. I haven't had problems with the batteries, and it's been great. It's been working with your cell phone, with your DSL, with your HD0 goggles, because for $600 you're not worth having a good microphone. When you turn it on, it shows you the RX. And then when you turn this guy on, it shows you the TX. It shows you how much battery life they have left. And it also shows you, see, if I talk to it, put it by my mouth, it shows me the audio levels too. So you can see that the audio is working. You can, and this just kind of plugs into either your camera or your HD0 goggles. And it's literally $50 now. It was $100 when I first got it. But I've tested probably close to 100 different audio whatever things, and some of them like $200-300, but they don't sound right. It's not perfection or anything, but for $50, this is my favorite budget audio. So if you're making content and want better audio, or you have HD0 goggles and you want them to sound better, you just clip that there. You're good to go. Links in the description. If you use them, that helps me. If you get anything, that helps me. And they have new models and stuff, but I haven't tested them. I've tested these. See how much nicer that sounds? And this works not only for it could work for your cell phone, it could work for your DSLR camera. I usually put a shotgun mic on it, but when I'm recording, sometimes I really like this one too. Now this has become my HD0 goggle mic, because the HD0 goggle mic stinks too. It's like when you spend so much money, you'd figure they could put a nice mic in there. They can't. It actually costs more for Americans in American money, so you could come to Amazon.ca. I purchased it in June 2022. $49 for the Canadians and $59 for the Americans. So might be good to shop Amazon Canada for you Americans. But you see how many things? 1,500 items I've been reviewing over the past while. And right now, see, I'm in trouble. See, my account is in danger of being closed because I have to do more reviews. But I review so many bloody Amazon products. Now let's show you in HD0, right? The difference? Let's go. What? Yeah, so I want you to hear the sound coming out of the goggles like this. See, when I'm just using the regular mic from the HD0 goggles, and that's inside. That's not even like going outside and getting crazy. Hey, I can use this to walk around. Okay, let's just walk around the house a bit. This is kind of unnerving. Okay, so you can hear the mic that is inside. Have you ever done that? Have you tried? Oh my god! Have you tried walking around the house with your goggles on? And the sound, I'm getting bloody motion sick doing this. This is weird. Woo! Because I can turn it, but I'm not turned. Okay, very nice. Oh, okay, here we go. And now, what we're going to do is I'm going to take this. Okay, line in now. Okay, now you should be able, oh yeah, what do I usually take this and I stick it inside the battery holder. And do that. And now, okay, so now this should sound way better. Also, I made this like adapter. Let me see. I made this like adapter thing. It's pretty cool. You get one of these little wires from AliExpress, and then you can hook up your analog thingy things, so you don't have to buy an HD0 one. I also have a video that shows you how to put the analog receiver onto your HD0 without having to buy a $50 adapter thing. Like, you can just literally wire it up. So I'll put that video at the end, coming very soon. And if you guys want a video and you want the print to be able to just stick an SMA and use any analog adapter thing, tell me you want it. If 10 of you or more tell me you want it, then I will give it to you, okay? Subscribe if you enjoy this kind of stuff, or just to support me, and smash the like button, okay? Thanks. If you find that helpful or want to know some of my other favorite electronic products, here's a video on my other channel. I show you another pile of products like this, ones that I really like that are actually worth getting, that I use myself. There are so many products that I test that I don't post because what am I going to do? Hey, here's this mic. It sucks. No affiliate links, no sales, like no nothing, right? I try to kind of only share stuff with you that's valuable to me and can be valuable to you. And if you like that, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And if you've been around for a while, then smoochy that like button and drop an emoji in the comments or say something, anything. Entertain me. Yeah, you know what? Every time you drop a comment, just try and be clever. So you can be like, are you not entertained? Okay, see ya.